To video tutorials by Uncle Buckle. This is Painter 2018. Similar sort of approach can be done in earlier versions as well. Now, how to add new brushes in PNG format, JPEG, etc. Maybe if you've got a whole range of ABR files, they obviously can be used in Photoshop. They can also be used in Painter, but you might have PNG files or JPEG files that can be used as brushes as well. And how to actually add those brush dabs. Now, first thing to do, I'm just going to quickly go and select one of the brushes here, chalk, and I'm just going to go for that. And just, it doesn't matter particularly what brush, I'm just going to select one of the brushes so you can just see, you can apply it like that. Next thing to do is actually open a file. So I'm just going to go to File and Open. And these ones are cube designs. These are available on the Graphicxtras website, a whole range of different cube designs. So you can use them, like I say, in Photoshop, you can use them in Infinity Photo, and obviously Painter as well. That's the key thing. So I'm just going to select one. I'm going to go with that one. Click Open. Now, first thing you'll notice, just go over here, Capture Dab. Not available. Right. Well, the thing how to get around that is you have to actually select all, or obviously select some part of it anyway. But I'm going to select all. I want the whole of that design as a brush dab. Now, at this point you think, well, I can do it now. Capture brush. It doesn't work again. Unfortunately, it comes up with a little thing. Just go down here to Layers and just set that to on so you can actually visible, so you can actually see it, and now you can see the brush. And I'm just going to drop all. So now, what I can do now, I just go over here, brushes and capture dab. Right, so I'm going to remove that now. Now I could of course go and select another one, use add more, but I'm just going to use that one. So, and now you can see it just slightly there. It's not particularly great because you can actually see it's quite small. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to increase the size so you can actually see it a bit better. And now you can see there. But you can of course modify it in numerous ways. I'm just going to change the colour. You don't have to apply it in that colour, so you can see the cube there. You can also add some jitter there, so you can jitter there. So you can just see it scatter, more like scattering in Photoshop. So that's there, change that and you see it again. Now you can also obviously modify expression. I'm using a mouse, but you could of course use a pen. I mean, it's just as also there's colour variability. There's many other panels you can use. Of course, you can go through a whole range of different panels, tweak the whole range to squeeze in various settings. So, but you can change colour variability. And I'm just going to add a bit of colour variability there, so you can just see now it's got a bit of a. Yeah, I'm just going to fill, make that right, just so it goes there, and then just apply there. Also, you can see all the various other settings there. You can actually change flat, soft cover. I'm just going to keep it as is. Modify the saturation, so you can just change that as well. Again, put that there. You can also modify spacing to make it space. It doesn't particularly matter, obviously, when it's scattering all over the place. So if I actually go back there, you can just see the design just there. Right. So that's a whole range of different settings. Now, you actually want to save it as a brush, and you want to save it as permanent as a brush. Well, what you can do, just quickly go over to, just going to go brushes, and I want to save variant. Now, just going to brushes and save variant. That's the key thing. So just there, and I'm not going to save it to chalk past. I could save it, of course, there, but I think one of the things is once you start doing that, and I've done that in the past, I add brushes to the same. And I think, oh, after a while, I can't find anything. So it's sometimes best to, if you create a sort of unique brush, it's probably best to create your own. But I've actually done that already. I've actually created, being Andrew, I'm going to create Andrew001, but you can quickly add a new category. So once you've actually done that, you can then, of course, create, I think maybe just call it cube random. Right, and that's it. And you can save current if you want, or just go with what it is. So save. And now you got it, you can just go over here and you can see it's just appeared over there. So that's it, just quick way of adding brushes. That's that one that I created earlier, another obviously cube design and cube random that was just there as well. And that's it, a quick way of adding brushes using PNG files, etc. But obviously you can, a whole range of PNG files, thousands and thousands and thousands of PNG files available on the Graphicxtras website, all for Photoshop and Painter and other applications. I hope you found this of interest. Thank you much.